For the maximum amount of maneuverability plus power, get the Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion cordless combo kit. Made to be job site tough, both tools are constructed with break-resistant DuraShield housing, and their compact design is great for working in tight spaces. The half-inch drill driver features a heavy-duty chuck to prevent bit slippage, and the driver delivers up to 600 inch-pounds of torque. 2 speeds allow you to quickly adjust for a variety of fastening and drilling applications. With a high-performance motor and all-metal gears, the 2800 RPM quarter-inch hex impact driver produces up to 1500 inch-pounds of torque to tackle a wide range of tough and extended fastening tasks. Also included are a charger, 2 18-volt 2-amp-hour batteries with Cool Pack technology for superior runtime, and a handy carry bag. So for powerful tools that deliver both versatility and compact convenience, choose the Bosch Lithium-Ion Cordless Combo Kit.